Welcome. Today we're going to be working on reverse words. It's a Leetcode medium. It's commonly used in a lot of interviews. It's a good weed out problem. They're going to expect you to kind of hit the ground running with it. So that's what we're going to do. Pretty simple. You get given a string, and you want to reverse the order of the words. The words are separated by spaces. Note that the string can have trailing spaces or multiple spaces between the words. You should only return the return string words with a single space separating the words. And don't include any extra spaces. So what that tells me is we're going to want to trim the string and we're going to want to delimit it based off of spaces. Then we'll iterate over it and in reverse from the back, add it to a string builder and return it. So let's get started. So first we're gonna split the input parameter s. We're going to trim the excess white spaces off first, if there are any. And then we're going to split it based off of this regex implementation here, which this will, uh, this right here will match one space, multiple spaces, tabs, new lines. So essentially, what we'll do is this trims out any excessive white space here, and then we get returned uh, an array where it's delimited based off the spaces. So we'd have 0, 1. Okay. I'll add a comment here. Okay. Now we're going to use StringBuilder to reverse the words. Most of these word problems involve using StringBuilder. I'd highly recommend you familiarize yourself with the methods available if you're in Java. Then we're going to iterate in reverse order because we want to reverse it. Or do words dot length here. So, -1. Then we're going to go for I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus as we are iterating in reverse. Yeah, just make sure you're doing the words length there, not the string length. Otherwise, you'll have a bug. So now we'll just add the word to the string builder. And we also need to add a space between the words, but not at the end. So we're writing this, but not at the last word. And then we should just be able to return sb.toString. Let's double check everything. Have the plus to match multiples. Yep. I put my comment there. I didn't see that. All right. And it looks like the server is running a little slower. Let's see if we can rerun it. But we've got 59.58% complexity on runtime and 87.59 on memory. And this gives us a big O complexity of O of n and O of n for memory as well. Sorry about missing the semicolon. Things happen. I'll try to put my comments out a little more. So basically for these type of problems, you want to know that we can delimit the string with trimming and splitting using regex. And if you utilize a string builder and the methods that it contains, you can really alter and manipulate any string-based algorithm problems. So I hope that that explanation is efficient and helps you on your journey. You really want to get this one done quickly in interviews so you can move on. They definitely use it as a weed out. Thanks for watching. Bye.